How to invert your camera on Omegle. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to invert your camera on Omegle. First of all, open up the web browser. After that, click on the VPN icon from the top extension bar. Then click to connect your VPN to available servers. Once you get connected to VPN, search for Omegle in the web browser. After getting into the Omegle website, click to start video chat. Then tick the age-restricted checkbox and click to confirm and continue. Now the chat is starting. So click on the video camera icon from the search bar. After that, scroll down in site settings and choose the camera option. And make sure to allow the camera from here. Or you can choose the site that can ask to use your camera. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.